Look at that lid. You guys, look at how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is. I have to do a look with this. This is the brand new palette from What's Up Beauty. This is called the Dragon Eye palette. This has 12 eyeshadows total, and this palette retails for $45. So I was thinking I could create a holiday look with this. First off, I'm gonna start with this green eyeshadow. I'm going to lay that down as a base. I'm going to fade this out to the inner corner. I'm going to put a little bit of the NYX glitter glue on my lid just to create a tacky base for the eyeshadow to stick to. Okay, let's grab the shade Fierce and just go straight onto the lid. Oh my gosh. Holy shit, that's gorgeous. If you really want to get maximum payoff, use your finger and tap onto that tacky base. Look at that lid. I'm going to continue that green underneath the eye. Next, I'm taking a red eyeshadow. I'm going to create this little fun shape in the inner corner of the eye. For the inner corner, I'm going to grab this shade up here called Fly. Oh, look at that beam. And here is the finished eyeshadow look using the Dragon Eye palette. I cannot get over how reflective these eyeshadows are. I cannot wait to use more eyeshadows from this palette.